It's Christmas
Yeah,
morning,
I love Christmas. Santa Claus.
Yeah,
Merry Christmas!
Yeah, Did you give me any presents?
Yeah, Christmas! Yeah!
Look at all these gifts for me!
Yeah! Christmas? But they're not all for you. But I got you something good. I got you this spring for Christmas.
A spring! Christmas!
Yeah! Yeah! Christmas! Christmas! Yeah! Yeah, Christmas!
Santa Claus did me.
What'd you get for me? What'd you get for me?
I'll go get your present right now. Here, Brad, I got you your present.
Oh,
It's a
Christmas!
sound asleep pillow.
This is bogus! You give me a sound asleep pillow?
Here's what this pillow does. I know.
I don't care what it does.
I know that.
I don't care what it does. What does this do then, huh? Huh?
I know that you have problems with your back when you're sleeping, right?
Yeah.
This will put you to sleep instantly
No.
in 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
No, 45 minutes. It comes in every single color except for black.
Whoa, that's a wide range of colors.
Wide range. And guess what else it does?
What else?
It will play any music that you want right through the pillow.
Right through the pillow. Tupac.
Yeah,
Bass nectar?
even bass neck.
Bass nectar.
Bass nectar. Alright.
Roy, is this one of your female products again, or is this made for like both sexes?
No. It's made for both sexes.
Yeah, Christmas!
Christmas!
Roy, another question on the sound asleep. How do you know this is made for me?
It's made for anyone who sleeps, you idiot.
Oh, well, tell me some more about this.
Do you have problems while you sleep?
Yes, I have problems while I sleep.
It's made for you. Do you like sleeping?
Yes, I love sleeping.
It's made for you.
This product is made for me.
This should be called the Brett Sound Asleep.
But it's called the sound
It's called the Sound Asleep.
sound asleep.
Christmas!
Yeah! Roy, this sound asleep must have cost a fortune. Where'd you get this? Bed Bath & Beyond?
Yeah.
And the bed section?
Nope.
Where?
Beyond. Whoa, fancy seeing you here, Brett.
What are you doing in my bedroom?
This isn't your bedroom, Brett.
Wow, this product really made me open to try new things. It makes me want to sleep outside with this product. It makes me want to do everything now.
You can sleep
I
anywhere.
love this. I love this sound of sleep. You don't even know how much I love this.
He loves it.
I love Christmas too. I love Christmas. Whoa, what are you doing with my pillow? Get off my pillow. Get off my pillow, fool. What were you listening to?
I was listening to Basshead.
Basshead?
Yes.
Like Bass Nectar?
Yes.
Basehead. Base.
We'd like to thank you all for. We'd like to thank you all for watching this little infomercial on this product. You now know all about this product, alright? He bought the product, I bought the product, these two bought the product, and I just like to say thank you to everybody. Shout out to my boys in I-Town. Shout out to Jacob Brentley. Shout out to him and his
Spitter.
Gecko crew. Shout out to Jay Beasy, B Maxey, Nate Hewer, all my boys in the I-Town. Frank Smith, what up? Kevin Black, what up? Who else we forgetting?
Spitter. Shout out to my brother Spitter.
Shout out to New Year's Eve. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Man.
And my crew, man.